So what is average cross power? Average cross power we denote it as Pxy. What is the denotation? It is denoted as Pxy. The average cross power Pxy of White's and stationary random process x of t y of t is the cross correlation of x of t y of t at tau is equal to 0. So what is Pxy is given as limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to plus t or xy of t comma t dt. Okay. So since what is that given? X of t, y of t are White's and stationary. Since x of t, y of t are White's and stationary, so what is time autocorrelation will be equal to n sample cross correlation. Time cross correlation. This is time cross correlation. No, time cross correlation will be equal to n sample cross correlation. So this is equal to r x y of tau. So see this here you have t and t. So what is the time difference here is 0. So it is r x y of 0. So what is average power? Average cross power t x y is given as r x y of 0. Okay. And what is another definition for finding average power here is, so it is Pxy is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity s xy of omega d omega. Okay. Similarly, Pyx, here if we are using yx, here also we have to use yx. Okay. So it is 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity s yx of omega d omega. Okay. So now we have to prove this. Now we see the proof of this. Okay. Just note down the proof. So here we consider two random processes x of t and y of t, where xt of omega and yt of omega are the Fourier transform of x of t and y of t in the interval minus t to plus t. In this interval, it is defined like this. That is, what is xt of t? Xt of t is equal to x of t in the interval minus t to plus t. Okay, minus t less than t less than or equal to plus t, and yt of t is what? It is y of t in the interval minus t less than or equal to t less than or equal to t. Okay. Then using Fourier transform, what is xt of omega is integral minus infinity to plus infinity xt of t e power minus j omega t dt. So what is xt of t? Xt of t is defined from minus t to plus t. So you have to take the integral from minus t to plus t xt of t e power minus j omega t dt. This is the formula for finding Fourier transform xt of omega. Similarly, yt of omega is given as integral minus infinity to plus infinity yt of t e power minus j omega t dt. So it is integral minus t to plus t, because yt is defined only in the interval minus t to plus t, y of t e power minus j omega t dt. Okay. Now the cross power in two random process x of t, y of t. Okay, what is the cross power in the interval? We are finding in the interval minus t to plus t. Okay. So just note cross power in the interval minus t to plus t is defined as, what is that formula? R x y of t. We are finding in the interval minus t to plus t. This is p x y of t is equal to 1 by 2t integral minus infinity to plus infinity xt of t yt of t dt. This is the formula to find out average power of two random processes. Okay, in the interval minus t to plus t. So it is 1 by 2t. Now we know that xt yt of t is having the range only from minus t to plus t, no? So the limits of integration is from minus t to plus t. So it becomes ht of t, yt of t dt. Now we apply Pascal's theorem. Apply Pascal's theorem. Okay. So from the Pascal's theorem, we know that Pxy of t is equal to 1 by 2t integral minus t to plus t x of t y of t dt is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity xt star of omega yt omega by 2t. You have on this 2t, we have to take here 2t d omega. This is the Pascal's theorem. Now, what is the average power? The average power. Definition for average power is, we denote it as Pxy bar is equal to, it is the expected value of P of xy of t. It is expected value of P of xy of t. So apply P of xy of t to this term, where, so if you are finding total average power, the total, this is the average power only in the interval, average power in the interval minus t to plus t naught. Now, if you want to find out total average power, so if you are finding total average power, what happens to t? T tends to infinity. So, what is Pxy? Pxy will be limit t tends to infinity, expected value of P of xy of t. Okay, so see here, what is that proof? Here we have taken two random crosses x of t and y of t. In these two random crosses, we define xt of t and yt of t. Xt of t is equal to x of t in the interval minus t to plus t. Yt of t is equal to y of t in the interval minus t to plus t. So apply Fourier transform, we got xt of omega. So what is the formula? Integral minus infinity to plus t xt of t power minus j omega t dt. So yt of omega is given as integral minus t to plus t, because what is the limit? Minus t to plus t, y of t power minus j omega t dt. Okay. Now we are finding what is the cross power in the range minus t to plus t. So what is the formula for cross power? It is given as Pxy of t is equal to 1 by 2t integral minus infinity to plus infinity xt of t yt of t dt. So you know that what is xt of t yt of t range? It is range from minus t to plus t only. So what is that? It is 1 by 2 pi integral minus t to plus t xt of t yt of t dt. Now we apply Pascal's theorem. So from Pascal's theorem, Pxy of t can be written as 1 by 2 pi integral minus t to plus t x of t y of t dt is equal to what? It is 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity xt star of omega yt of omega by 2 pi. 2t you have to plus 2t d omega. This is the Pascal's theorem. Now we are finding average power in the range minus t to plus t. How do you find out average power? The average power is nothing but the expected value of the cross power. That is expected value of Pxy of t. Now we want to find out total average power as t tends to infinity. So if t tends to infinity, what is the total average power? Pxy is equal to limit t tends to infinity, expected value of Pxy of t. Okay. So now we already found what is Pxy of t here. Okay, for that we just substitute limit t tends to infinity. What is the formula? Pxy of Pxy. Total average power Pxy is equal to what? Limit t tends to infinity. Expected value of what is that? Pxy of t. Pxy of t is, this is the formula. What is the formula? It is 1 by 2t integral minus t to plus t x of t y of t dt. Okay, that is equal to what? Limit t tends to infinity. expected value of 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity xt star of omega yt of omega by 2t du. Okay. So from this can be written as pxy is equal to, okay. So limit t tends to infinity, okay, 1 by 2t integral minus t to plus t, expected value we apply to x of t y of t d. Okay, so what is this first equation we are taking? This we are dividing into two terms. This is the first term. From the first term, what is this term? This is nothing but the cross correlation. Yes or no? So it is limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to plus t. It is r x y of t comma t dt. So it is r x y of t comma t dt. Yes or no? So from the equation 2, what is this can be written as 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, limit t tends to infinity. Expected value of xt star of omega by t of omega by 2t du. Okay. So from this, what you got? What is this? This is the time average of cross correlation where time difference is equal to 0. Okay. So from this relation, the first relation, what is Pxy? Pxy is time average of the cross correlation function. Where what is the time difference here? 0. So it is Rxy of 0. Okay. Now since what is that given? X of t, y of t are whites and stationary. X of t and y of t are whites and stationary. Then what is time average will be equal to ensemble average. So time average will be equal to ensemble average. So Pxy. So the average power, cross power is equal to what? It is Rxy of 0. So we got the first relation. Now, similarly from this relation, say let Sxy of omega is defined like this one. It is limit t tends to infinity, expected value of, okay, let Sxy of omega is defined as limit t tends to infinity, expected value of x star of xt star of omega y of yt of omega by 2t. So then what is this equation becomes? This equation becomes Pxy will be equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity. This complete term is nothing but Sxy of omega. Okay. So it is Sxy of omega d omega. Okay. So like this, using these equations, we can find out the average power. Now can you tell me what is Pyx? Pyx. Pxy is this. Pyx is r by x of 0. Pyx is r by x of 0. Similarly, Pyx from the second equation, Pyx can be written as 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity s by x of omega d omega. Okay. So these are the formulas to find out the average cross power.